guys, is Blazing PICO here. That's my new name. And today we're going to be doing a read aloud Showgirl Play Move Pumpkin of Dogman, but I'm still eating, so it's going to be hard. Dogman. Yeah.
Oh, Red Hawk. The G sound.
Oh, come there. I make all the time. Gag. Because I gag.
I just got it. What we have for present prize for our school? Present prize is you for some crayons. Which we're gonna
Wait a minute. Before we start, I want to show a magic trick. So we have a normal chicken nugget. Shake it. It turns into a book. The Dogman book that we're going to be reading today.
Red Hawk, can I take your place?
What?
So you can get up and get some food?
No, thank you.
No, I need to review this. So guys, for our school banners, which none of you are going to get, but for our school, I wanted to review this. So we have Pete the Cat book. And he goes to school. So it's that. And yes, I do have a big pumpkin. And we got this mini little pumpkin that you do this.
Yum.
And also, we have toy snake figures. They're gonna be thrown away.
Wait, Showgirl, are you saying that you're giving these away? Because they're really old.
No, I'm saying that for our school, I'm gonna donate.
But they're super old. They could break any second.
Yeah, they could break, but this is not ours, so we're gonna.
That's it is.
Well, I think I'm gonna to our house.
No. I had it back at our old house.
All right. So we
Be right back.
have a snake. We also have a little lip gloss, which green, and it's kitty cat. And we also have.
If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song.
So we also have a reading book.
The Showgirl made.
So this we made for our studio. We like my class won, so that's why we got to draw this. So first, write your name. Check it with the sticker, and your teacher signs it with a